Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Rahul Chaure and today I am going to make the video on the topic different constraints used in the Creoparametric software during drawing the drawings. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's get started. Just click on first of all open your Creoparametric and click on the file and take the new file. And as usual in this part, so as a type and subtype as a solid, just unclick this, as you already know what is the purpose of this, and I already told you in the previous video. Click on the OK. Then next this pop-up will be pop-up window will be there, and just click on the because we are doing all work in the just click on OK. The system has generated this interface for the drawing. Okay, so first of all click on the front plane. This is the green highlighted green plane, and just click on the model. And this for teaching you these commands and through the example, so we require to have some sketch or some drawing. So this is the process. So just click on the sketch. Next click on this for the drawing orientation, and then you just click on the model. Here all commands are inactive, as you can see. Only one command is active, that is the sketch, because we are going to draw the sketch. And then here is the part constraint. Okay, we are going to see this part of the Creoparametric. In this, how many commands are there? This 9 commands are there. Okay, so first of all, here you can see this is the first one, parallel. So when and how you can use this parallel command. So first of all, we required just take the center line and then draw this vertical center line like this. Here you can see I have clicked this first point and then going to click this second one point like this. The center line is generated vertically, and the next to take this horizontal center line. This is the first point, line is created as you can see, and this is the second point. Okay, the second one center line is also generated. Click your middle button of the mouse, which is the cursor. Okay, cursor button. Now I have created two center lines over here, as you can see. Then again click on the sketch, which command we are going to see this parallel. So the purpose of this is to make any object parallel. So first of all, we required some object or something which is drawn, or the part or something to be parallel, or to be parallel to other object. Okay, so take this line. I am going to draw the line. Okay, this line is in any form like this. Okay, I have drawn this. Close the command. Okay, all the dimensions are created automatically by the system. And then now as you can see, observe here, this line is in angle to this horizontal center line. Okay, now for getting that purpose of the command, I am going to make this inclined line to parallel this horizontal center line. Okay, so just click on the sketch, just click on this parallel. Here you can see whenever you go your cursor over the command, then it shows some guidelines, make lines parallel and create a parallel constraints. Okay, so this is the very best thing of Creoparametric. I like too much. So click on this command, and the next, here you can see at bottom of the taskbar, select two or more line entities to make them parallel. Okay, so this is also the best guiding feature of the Creoparametric, which I like ever. So means every stage is going to guide doing the using commands. Okay, so here you can see select two or more lines entities to make them parallel. Okay, so this one the first entity and this is the second entity. Here you can see that line was in incline, but now the line is in the parallel to this horizontal line. Okay, so this is the purpose of this command parallel. And next we'll move toward the next command, which is the equal. What the text are showing there: create equal length, equal radii, equal dimensions, or same curvature constraint. Means whatever the things or draw part is you drawn, you have to the system will create the equal dimensions or equal parameters for that. Okay, so for explaining through the example this command also, okay, which command? This equal command. Okay, so first of all I will just erase this line. Okay, no, not necessary to erase the line. Through this line I will explain you. Now here you can observe, just double click on this 263. Okay, now it's not editing. Actually I wanted to edit the dimension. Okay, okay, now here is go. I would like to make 263 to 300. Okay, 300 mm. Okay, and then just click on the sketch, and which command is this? The equal command. Okay, so I would like to make this line, this horizontal line which I had drawn to be equal of this horizontal center line. Okay, here you can see this is the horizontal axis, horizontal line which I have already drawn over here, and now you are observing here this line is too away from this center line. Okay, and the purpose of I would like to make this horizontal drawn line to be equal in the dimension by taking this as a center line. Okay, so if this is 300 mm, so it will be divided into 150 mm like this by using this command. So let's observe how this command is performing. Just click on this equal, then here you can see select two or more lines, equal segments, two or more circles, ellipse, whatever is there. So the line is there. So this is the first point. You have to select. It's get automatically green colored. It indicates the one point is selected of that line. Okay, one point I have already selected here, and the secondly you have to select this line reference. This is the line reference. Okay, and the third one I will select this endpoint. Okay, here you can go. Okay, system actually didn't generate it. Okay, we'll again perform this equal. Click on the first, then the center, and then this point. Okay, I don't understand why the system is not created this equal, because already I have used this one constraint parallel over there. Okay, so I will just select and another one command is there, this trim command. Just click on this trim, you can trim this line. Okay, like this, and again you can click on this sketch view, and then just click on the OK. Okay, no sketch will be there, and this sketch command is still open here. We can edit this command like this, and then here I am going to draw the another one line. Take the line command, the first point of this line, and this is the second point. I have clicked here. Then for now you can be observing the line is not discontinuing and not ending. Okay, it's continuously going on, the creating the another line also. So for ending this slide, just click the middle button of the mouse and the cursor. Okay, So the line is created. Again click the middle button of your mouse. Line is created and the dimensions are created automatically by the system. Now we'll focus on the second command, which is this equal. Okay, now just double click on this dimension, make the dimension as 400 and click the enter. Next click on the sketch and take this equal command, click on the equal command. Okay, what system is telling us select 2 or more lines. Okay, so click this first point, this is the center point and this is the second point. Okay, so again system is not generated. I'm not understanding why the system is not generating this command, create 2 equal lengths. Okay, yeah, I got the concept. For creating this equal, okay, what the mean of this equal, we have to create the one value is equal to another value, which in which both the values will be created are equal. Okay, like this dimension of the line is 400 mm. Okay, and I would like to this dimension here, you can see this is 103.99 mm. I would like to make this also 400 mm. I can directly edit over there also, but I have one shortcut here, like just click on this command and then click on this line, select this line and then just click on the dimension. Okay, here you can go. Okay, now here you can see this E1 is created. Okay, and here you can see this E1 also. Okay, like this. So you also you can see here the same length line are created, and what the mistake I did you also observed during I was performing the operations. Okay, so I was doing the wrong way, because most of the times whenever we don't know how to use the command, so definitely it happens we used to use that command in wrong way. So now here you can see what the mistakes are doing by us. I already shown 2 times I did mistake actually over there, and then next I corrected what I did the wrong, and then here you can see the distance is 400 and this is the 400. Okay, 400 mm line, like this. Again I will show you. Okay, here click on the sketch, take this equal command, and now I'm going to make the 66 to 400. Okay, so first of all select this 400 and then to the 66. Here you can see I have made this line to the 400 mm equal length. Okay, so this is the purpose of this equal command. Okay, now we'll move towards the third one command, which is symmetric. So let's by using this trim command, here one command is there, delete segment or trim we can say. Click on this and just draw the line like this. The object will be automatically trimmed, and then click on the sketch view. Okay, like this. Okay, now for just click go to sketch, right click and edit the sketch, and we'll again here I will show you how to use the symmetric command. For just take the any line and over here. Okay, I have drawn any line like this, and then which command is this? Symmetric command. Okay, the symmetric means like here you can see I would like to make this line to be divided equally in two lengths, in the equal length corresponding this center line. Okay, means just to click on this dimension first of all. For easy understanding, make it 400 mm. Okay, so I would like to this 400 mm into 200 mm by corresponding the center line. 200 in this side, right side, and the 200 on the left and right side. Okay, so first of all, click on the sketch, then next select the symmetric command like this, and after that you have to take this first point, and secondly we have to select the center line, and third one you have to select this end point of the line like this. Okay, here you can see what you have observed here. System has generated or this equal length of the line, and they at exactly middle position of the center line. Okay, so this is the purpose of this third one command, which is symmetric. Okay, now we'll move towards this fourth command, that is tangent. For understanding tangent, I am just going to draw the circle. I will take this center point circle and draw this above the center line, above the drawn line. Okay, of any shape. Okay, then okay, like this I have drawn. Then this circle is generated up to 108 mm diameter. I will make to 8 to 100 diameter like this, and then I would like to I would like to make this circle tangent to this line. So we have this tangent command over there. Okay, so first of all, just click on the tangent command, then select the first entity, and then next to the select second entity. This here you can see the tangent point is here. Okay, tangent of the circle and the line is created by the system. This was the third command, and next we'll move a fourth command towards that, and next we'll move towards the fifth command, which is midpoint. Okay, so for understanding this command, we required one point. Here the point command is there. Select this point and draw at end in any point on the line near any end. Okay, like this. Here you can observe this one point is created. Still command is active, so closing command, just click your middle button of your mouse like this. The dimensions of automatically generated of this point from this center or coordination 151 mm from this to this. Okay, now I would like to make this generated point exactly at the center of this line. Okay, whatever the length of this line, I would like to be at the center. So for this, just click on the sketch, next click on this midpoint, because the its self name is indicates the midpoint. Select this command, next select this point command. Here green mark is automatically get to that point, and next the second entity, which is line. Here you can see that center, that point is automatically shifted to center. Okay, I will zoom in. Here you can see this point is here like this. Okay, then click on the sketch. We see this command midpoint, almost 3, 4 and 5 command we already seen, and next we'll move toward the sixth command, which is coincident. Okay, here the system is place points in the same location, place points on an entity, or create a collinear constraints. Okay, so for understanding this command coincident, we required one center line Here the center line option is there. Click on the center line. Click this point over here. Center line is created with the first point, and I will create in the horizontal way. So next point for required, just click the second one point here. Automatically created line. For closing command, click your middle button of mouse like this. Automatic dimension is being generated by the system, and the center point I already created here. Click on the sketch. Which command we are going to see? This coincident. Okay, now I have created the center line, and I would like to make this center line at exactly the coincident to this here, this line, which is horizontal line, which I already drawn here. Where? So now I just click on this command, which coincident, and then okay, select this center line, and next the second into this line. Okay, here you can see this whole line is coincident to this drawn axis. Okay, so this was the purpose, and next we'll see towards this vertical command. Okay, for understanding this command, first of all, just take the central any line. Okay, and next make the shape like this, any, okay, like this. Okay, angle shape, create. Here I have drawn this shape for understand that command. Actually the purpose of the behind this command is vertical, so any line drawn or any sketches would like to make in a vertical way, in either in x direction, in the y direction. Okay, for vertical, this is the vertical command is there, and for making it horizontal, the horizontal command is there. So first of all, click on the vertical. This line is not exactly vertical. Just click on this line. It's automatically get into the vertical position. Okay, and the next, click on the sketch button, and here is the second one, next one command, horizontal. Click on the horizontal command. This line is in the angle position. It will be automatically gets into horizontal position after clicking. Here you can see. Okay, this line itself changes its length. Okay, for getting that constraint. And the last one is the perpendicular in the Creoparametric constraint command, perpendicular. Okay, so for this again I will draw the another lines in this, like start from here, click here, line is started, click this point, second point, and the third one point here, click here. Okay, and next double click the mouse. Okay, double click the center button. Okay, now in this I will show you how the perpendicular command is working. Select this perpendicular command, select the first entity, select the second entity. Here you can observe the two lines are created in perpendicular in each other like this. So, and these are the applications and the working during drawing the unit drawings and the schematics. These are the constraints. So thank you very much friend for being with me for the studying this Creoparametric software. Thank you very much, and those who are new on this channel, so kindly requesting you to first of all subscribe the channel, because I have again started to make the video on Creoparametric from very basic level to the advanced level. Currently I am doing as a design engineer at the MNC company, and that's why I have knowledge about how the different MNC companies are working and how they are using the softwares, and why these softwares are very necessary to learn, because getting in different multinational companies, there is main skill is important. So hope you understand. you will be going to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.